Going to need your wisdom on this next topic as well. Here's what we have. Basically, a judge in Wisconsin's telling the guy, no more kids. This guy, his father, his name's Corey Curtis, fathered 9 kids by 6 women. And he basically, between child support and some interest, he owes over $100,000. So judge says, no more kids until you pay off or pay up for the kids you already have. Can a court do that, first off? How are you going to enforce that one?
Well, you know, there's a little nuance in their law that says you can make a part of a probation an agreement that you will not have any more children. You know, that's sort of a nuance. But the bottom line is we're getting on that proverbial slippery slope. You know, you can't have kids. Are we saying that only rich people can have kids? This guy's too poor to raise his other kids, so he can't have any more children. You know, China has rules and limits that don't let you have more than 1 child in urban areas, and they've wrestled with that for a while. But, you know, is that where we want to go in America, that if you don't pay child support, you can have more kids?
Do you think that's where this one's headed? Because what I'm finding out, let's see if you corroborate this, that the Wisconsin Supreme Court, they ruled back 11 years ago, 2001, that basically you can put conditions on procreation. I think that's your legal terminology there, in a probation sentence. And that's what they're, I'm sure, calling on here in this case.
Right, but does the end justify the means? What happens if he has another child? Do you put him in jail?
Right.
And then he can't pay support? Or what about this, Mike? What if he says, I want to have sex with a millionaire woman, and she says, you don't have to support the child? She might be a stupid millionaire, but if she wants to have sex with him, that doesn't, you know, he can still support the other kids with his money.
All right, Judge, so how's this one going to play out at the end of the day? You're just going to try and put the hammer on this guy to pay up as best he can?
That should be the judge's first priority. Obviously, the judge is frustrated. He's trying to do everything he can to say pay up, and maybe saying you can't have sex with somebody that results in childbirth. Maybe that's what's going to do it for this guy. He apparently likes to do that, at least 9 times.
He likes to do that. We'll leave on that quote. Always good seeing you, Randy.
Thanks.
Family law attorney, providing some wisdom on these tough legal topics. Good seeing you as always.